Okay, Ashik, I have a next question. I have the next question for you. How do you customize your VS Code setup to suit your development workflow?
Actually, this is a very great question because when you use the VS Code, it's essential to customize as far as you need. Because when you customize it, actually it helps you to write your code more faster and develop it. I also customize my VS Code, like I do the setting JSON for the preference like the tab size, auto save, and port formatting. Then I also apply for the work specific settings for different projects. Then I install the language support extension like for the Python, JavaScript, and the TypeScript also. And for the productivity tool, I use the Prettier to make my code more pretty, to more understandable, to more readable. And I also use the GitLens to customize themes and icons with option like the Dracula theme. Then we have the material icon theme also.
Okay, got it. Thank you.